Homeowners always have one common concern. Did the supplier really fill the glass with argon gas as promised? And how much argon gas was actually filled? So today, we're taking you inside the factory production floor to see it firsthand and test it on-site with professional equipment. Right now, we're at the entrance of the 4SG production workshop at Warren Windows and Doors in Linqu, Shandong. Now we've entered the second half of the 4SG production workshop, the stage where the insulated glass units are assembled. As you can see, the area I'm standing in right now is a completely enclosed space. That's right. This area is specially designed as a constant temperature and humidity-controlled environment for 4SG glass production. Only under these precise conditions can the 4SG sealant achieve its highest performance and optimal state. On my left is the 4SG sealant tank, where the sealing process for the 4SG glass is carried out. Moving further ahead, you'll see our panel pressing machine. After the 4SG sealant is applied, the glass enters this section for argon gas filling and glass assembly. Then, at the end of the production line, structural silicone sealant is applied for the final edge sealing. We'll use this device at the final stage to test the argon gas concentration inside the finished glass units. Let's get started! We rely on this, the Sparklike Argon Gas Analyzer from Finland, a professional device worth over 100,000 RMB, and a globally recognized authority for gas concentration testing. So, what makes this device so impressive? It uses plasma emission spectroscopy technology. If that sounds complicated, don't worry, just imagine it creates a tiny lightning between two panes of glass. Then, by analyzing the color of that lightning, it can accurately calculate the argon gas concentration within just 2 seconds. As you can see, the glass has now come out of the press machine and reached the final sealing stage. We won't talk too much. Once the process is done, we'll immediately take the device and start testing. Now we're going to use this high-precision device to test the argon gas concentration in this freshly produced glass unit. We'll directly position the device against the glass. Start testing. The entire process is non-invasive, no drilling, no holes, and completely non-destructive, ensuring the integrity of the glass remains intact. As you can see, there was a subtle glowing lightning effect on the surface just now. Let's take a look at the result. The measured argon gas concentration is 99.2%. The national standard requires a minimum of 85%, so we have far exceeded the national standard. To ensure the accuracy and authenticity of our testing, we won't only test this freshly produced glass unit, we'll also go to the glass warehouse to test finished products. Let's go! We're moving out now. We've arrived at the finished glass warehouse to randomly test the argon gas concentration. Let's start by checking this batch. This is an order from Shandong. Let's run a test. Alright, let's move on and test the next batch of goods. As you can clearly see from the real-time reading, the result is 97.7. This glass unit is from the Beijing Yuquening showroom. (95.8%) all of them meet the national standard, with argon gas content of at least 85% or higher. The test results you've seen are definitely not a matter of luck. They reflect the basic standards of every glass unit before it leaves the factory. A high argon gas concentration doesn't come from words, but from two things. First, this our argon gas storage system. Like a grain silo, it provides a continuous and stable supply, ensuring every glass unit is fully filled with argon gas. Second, the 4SG long-lasting sealing system. Simply filling enough argon gas isn't enough. The real key is keeping it sealed inside. This 4SG sealing system firmly locks the argon gas between the two panes of glass to prevent leakage, ensuring outstanding thermal insulation performance even after more than a decade of use. At the same time, it also effectively protects the Lowy coating from oxidation caused by air exposure, allowing it to deliver long-lasting performance and exceptional value for years to come. Don't let argon gas filling become just an empty promise. We dare to show you the real testing process because we stand behind every window we make, wishing everyone the perfect windows for their home.